America, a land of innovation and ambition, boasts a fascinating architectural heritage. Among its diverse structures, opulent historical palaces stand as testaments to a bygone era of grandeur and extravagance. These architectural marvels, often steeped in rich history, offer a captivating glimpse into the lives and times of America's most influential figures. From coast to coast, these palaces beckon with stories of ambition, artistry, and the pursuit of the American dream. Imagine stepping back in time into a world of gilded ballrooms and sprawling estates. Picture manicured gardens, whispering fountains, and breathtaking views. This is the allure of America's historical palaces, places where history comes alive. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of these magnificent landmarks. Each palace, with its unique charm and fascinating backstory, reflects the dreams and aspirations of those who built them. These palaces are not just buildings, they are time capsules, preserving the spirit of a bygone era for generations to come. Join me as we delve into the world of America's most luxurious historical palaces. Newport, Rhode Island, a seaside haven for America's elite during the Gilded Age, is home to the Breakers. This 70-room summer cottage, commissioned by Cornelius Vanderbilt II, embodies the opulence and extravagance of the era. Completed in 1895, the Breakers is a masterpiece of Beaux-Arts architecture, inspired by the grand palaces of 16th-century Genoa and Turin. The mansion's facade, adorned with ornate carvings and imported French limestone, exudes grandeur. Inside, visitors are greeted by a breathtaking central great hall, rising 3 stories high. Its walls are adorned with intricate murals, and sunlight streams through a massive skylight, illuminating the room with an ethereal glow. The dining room, inspired by the Vatican's Apostolic Palace, features a 2,400-pound table that could accommodate up to 30 guests. One can almost hear the echoes of laughter and music from lavish parties hosted by the Vanderbilts. Imagine the clinking of champagne glasses and the rustling of silk gowns as guests strolled through the mansion's opulent rooms. The Breakers stands as a testament to the Vanderbilts' immense wealth and influence. It offers a glimpse into the lifestyle of America's Gilded Age elite, a time of unprecedented economic growth and social change. Nestled amidst the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina lies Biltmore Estate, a monument to the ambition and vision of George Vanderbilt, grandson of Cornelius Vanderbilt. Completed in 1895, this French Renaissance chateau boasts 250 rooms, making it the largest private home in America. It stands as a testament to the Gilded Age's obsession with European aristocracy and the vast fortunes amassed by American industrialists. The estate sprawls across 8,000 acres, encompassing meticulously manicured gardens, a working winery, and a charming village. Architect Richard Morris Hunt designed Biltmore to resemble a fairy tale castle, complete with soaring towers, steep-pitched roofs, and intricate stonework. Inside, the mansion is a treasure trove of art and antiques, showcasing George Vanderbilt's refined taste. A lesser-known fact about Biltmore is that it housed one of the first indoor swimming pools in America. Heated and equipped with underwater lighting, the pool was a marvel of engineering for its time. It speaks volumes about the Vanderbilts' desire for the latest technology and their commitment to comfort and luxury. Biltmore Estate, with its grandeur and attention to detail, continues to captivate visitors, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of American ambition and extravagance. Perched atop a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean, Hearst Castle is a testament to the eccentric vision of William Randolph Hearst, the newspaper tycoon. This sprawling estate, located near San Simeon, California, is a unique blend of European architectural styles and Hollywood glamour. Construction began in 1919 and continued for nearly 3 decades, resulting in a 165-room castle filled with Hearst's vast collection of art and antiquities. Hearst, known for his lavish lifestyle, spared no expense in creating his dream home. He envisioned a castle that would rival those he had seen in Europe. The result is a breathtaking complex of buildings, gardens, and terraces, all meticulously designed to showcase his vast collection. The castle boasts a grand assembly room, a movie theater, and even a zoo that once housed exotic animals. Hearst Castle was a hub for Hollywood's elite during the 1920s and 1930s. Celebrities like Charlie Chaplin, Greta Garbo, and Winston Churchill flocked to the estate, drawn by Hearst's legendary hospitality and the allure of his opulent lifestyle. Today, Hearst Castle stands as a monument to the intersection of Hollywood glamour and American ambition, a place where history and fantasy collide. Section 5. Doris Duke's Shangri-La, an oasis of Eastern art. Hidden away in Honolulu, Hawaii, lies Shangri-La, the former home of tobacco heiress Doris Duke. This 5-acre estate, perched on a cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean, is a testament to Duke's lifelong passion for Islamic art and architecture. Built in the 1930s, Shangri-La is a harmonious blend of Eastern and Western aesthetics, a serene oasis reflecting Duke's fascination with Islamic cultures. The estate features a series of pavilions and courtyards inspired by Islamic architectural traditions. Intricate tilework, carved stucco, and colorful mosaics adorn the buildings. Each room is a treasure trove of Islamic art and artifacts, showcasing Duke's extensive collection amassed through her travels throughout the Middle East and North Africa. A unique feature of Shangri-La is its Mughal-inspired swimming pool. Designed by Duke herself, the pool features a series of cascading waterfalls and intricate tilework. It is said that Duke, an avid swimmer, would often invite guests to join her for moonlight swims. Shangri-La stands as a testament to Duke's independent spirit and her passion for preserving and sharing Islamic art and culture with the world. Section 6. The mysterious Winchester Mystery House. In the heart of San Jose, California stands the Winchester Mystery House, a Victorian mansion shrouded in intrigue and legend. This 160-room labyrinthine structure is a testament to the eccentricities of Sarah Winchester, the widow of gun magnate William Winchester. Built over a span of 38 years, the house is a bizarre collection of architectural oddities, secret passages, and staircases leading nowhere. Legend has it that Sarah Winchester, haunted by guilt over the fortunes made from Winchester rifles, consulted a spiritual medium. She was told to continuously build onto her home to appease the spirits of those killed by Winchester guns. This led to the house's unusual design, featuring doors and windows that open to walls, staircases that lead to ceilings, and rooms built one on top of the other. The Winchester Mystery House, with its eerie hallways and unexplained architectural quirks, has fascinated visitors for decades. It is a place where reality and imagination blur, leaving visitors to ponder the story behind its creation. Whether a result of grief, superstition, or simply Sarah Winchester's unique vision, the Winchester Mystery House remains an architectural enigma, a testament to the power of human belief. Section 7. Preserving America's palaces for future generations. These magnificent palaces, each with its unique history and architectural splendor, stand as testaments to America's past. They offer a glimpse into the lives and times of those who shaped the nation's history, from industrial titans to eccentric heiresses. But these architectural treasures are more than just relics of a bygone era. They are vital links to our cultural heritage, deserving of preservation for generations to come. Preserving these grand estates requires a significant commitment to conservation and restoration. Organizations like the Preservation Society of Newport County and the National Trust for Historic Preservation play a crucial role in maintaining these properties. Through meticulous restoration efforts, they ensure that future generations can experience the grandeur and history of these palaces. However, preservation goes beyond simply maintaining the physical structures. It's about keeping the stories alive, sharing the history and cultural significance of these palaces with the world. Through educational programs, guided tours, and special events, these organizations ensure that these architectural treasures continue to inspire and educate visitors. Section 8. The enduring allure of America's palaces. Why are we so captivated by these grand estates? Perhaps it's the glimpse into a bygone era, a time of opulence and extravagance that seems both familiar and fantastical. Perhaps it's the architectural beauty, the intricate details and craftsmanship that speak to a time when artisans took pride in their work. Or maybe it's the stories these palaces tell, the tales of ambition, love, loss, and the pursuit of the American dream. Whatever the reason, America's historical palaces continue to fascinate and inspire us. They remind us of our past, connect us to our cultural heritage, and offer a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. These palaces, once symbols of private wealth and exclusivity, are now open to the public, offering everyone a chance to step back in time and experience the grandeur firsthand. They are reminders that history is not just something we read about in books, it's something we can see, touch, and feel. Section 9. A call to explore. So the next time you find yourself yearning for a journey back in time, consider visiting one of America's magnificent historical palaces. Let yourself be transported to a world of gilded ballrooms, sprawling gardens, and architectural wonders. Explore the hidden nooks and crannies, imagine the lives of those who walked the halls before you, and let the stories of these grand estates captivate your imagination. America's historical palaces are waiting to be discovered, offering a glimpse into a bygone era and a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity and ambition.